Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to fix Files apps not working on Android. If your Files app is not working on your Android phone, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your main home screen and then keep a long press on your Files app and then select App Info. And here you just have to select Storage and Cache, just tap on it, then select Clear Cache if available and then select Clear Storage to clear all junk files. So after that, you just have to go back, go to settings, and here's the permissions. Just tap on it, and you have to make sure that there is all permissions have been allowed. If is don't allow, you just have to allow all the permissions. And after that, just go back, go to home screen, and then open Play Store app to make sure that your Files app is up to date. Just search for Google Files app. Just search for it and then the app will be available. You just have to tap on it to make sure that your files app is up to date. If there is any update available, you have to update your app. Then go back, go to main screen, open settings. In settings, just scroll down and you for system update. Just tap on it, and you have to make sure that your phone is up to date. You just have to make sure that your system is up to date, and after that you have to check if you have still having the same issue. Here you can see my issue has been fixed, but if you are still having the issue, you just have to keep a long press on your power button and then select restart to restart your phone. And after restarting, you will be able to use your Files app. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.